A morning routine is a way to take back control of your day. Now, do things happen? Do things change? Are there fire drills? Yes, but we're not talking about the exceptions. It's not what you do once in a while that really creates the challenge. It's what you do on a daily basis. That becomes habit. That becomes part of your character. That becomes your life. Those are what really matters, not just the little things here and there. So a morning routine that takes back control of our mind establishes the direction. I remember when I was on television with Brian Tracy, success legend guru Brian Tracy, and he was interviewing me for his television show. And he said, now, Brenda, if you were going to give one piece of advice to someone as it relates to what we're talking about here, what would that be? And I said, have a morning routine, have a morning spiritual practice. He says, yes. He says, it is the rudder that sets the sail of your life. And I've always remembered that. People that are successful understand that how you treat your morning is how your day and how your week and how your month and how your year. See, I like to say this. Everybody desires a great life. How many people do you know that they grew up and said, I want to be a real loser. That's what I want to be when I grow up. I want to be addicted and frustrated and depressed, and I want to make sure I'm broke, and I want to be sick, and I want to be tired. I want to be a loser when I grow up. No. So how is it that we get into these situations? And it is step by step. So people say, I want to have a great life. They tell me, I just want to have a great life. And I go, well, guess what? A great life is made of great years. And great years are made of great months. And great months are made of great weeks. And great weeks are made of great days. And if we could keep going, great days are made of great minutes. Let's take back this minute. Let's take back this day. Let's take back this morning. You're here. You want this outcome of a great life. I agree. So do I. We've got to back it up now. Remember, we talked about going back to the basics. We've got to back it up. How are you stewarding the gift of your life? How are you stewarding the gift of time?